How to accept orders on Uber Eats. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain how to accept orders on Uber Eats. So if you're planning to work for Uber Eats, start by going to your account settings first. So for that, you have to first launch your Uber Eats application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the account section from the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, scroll down to find the option labeled as Earn by Driving and Delivery. That is below the Shopping Preferences option. Tap on it. And after clicking on that, you will be redirected to a new page. Enter a place where you would like to earn. And you can also add a referral code, which is optional. Click on Next. And then there you have to add your phone number, email address, and you will be logged into the Uber application. You can update your phone number by selecting your country and entering the country code. And after completing these steps, you will have access to the Uber Eats platform and will be able to accept orders easily. So that's all for today. This is exactly how you can accept orders on Uber Eats. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.